So a very warm welcome to Ms. r.gilani and Mr. Ahmed Raja Yusufi. And this time to make
Thank you, sir.
this episode very special, we have our guest here in Mumbai, India. So welcome to Mumbai, India. And we really appreciate you joining us here.
Thank you, Mr. Pranav. Thank you, sir.
So getting straight on to picking your brains. So our first question would be on the bitumen side of the market, because that is occupying center stage with the season, the monsoon season in the Indian market coming to an end. So our first question is that there are reports of the bitumen prices falling in Iran. Is this due to the correction in BB prices, or are there any other reasons?
Well, actually, after the oil shock of 7 September and its fall up to 7-8%, my answer to your question can be yes. Based on the pricing formula, Iran is expected to modify its prices. And at the moment, the only reason to have a modified price of bitumen and vacuum bottom can be just attributed to the changes of oil price, although it increased a little in some days like Friday, but we can say that as the markets like Platts, the reports from market like Platts have not been published yet, and we don't have any clear estimation of how they have started, although there are some presumptions, but we can say that we have to wait to see how the markets will start, and then we will decide how will be the actual trend of bitumen prices in Iran based on the actually platforms like Platts, I don't know, other stations.
Thank you. And now we get on to the next part of the question is, how is the bitumen and fuel oil prices in the light of what you have just explained likely to move in the coming week?
Mr. Pranav, we see the different signals in the market from the Friday, from the Wednesday that the drop happened, and after that on the Friday it's recovered. We receive a different signals that maybe price will be decreased more. On the other hand, we receive another market analyst that maybe price also recovered and going up to $100. But what we can say right now is that the market today opens today morning negative, but after that it start to recover the prices, and right now somehow it's the market is positive. We still should wait till to the end of the day to see what will happen in the markets in Singapore, in New York, in other markets, and how is the business is going. And if the market is also start recovering, we can predict and see the candles in the technical that it will go up or down. Right now, till now, the estimation is not completed, and also we cannot understand how is the candle is going, increasing or decreasing. But we see a slightly increase in the crude oil and the fuel, and maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we can understand what will happen in the market. But it doesn't seem that it will be recovered more like before, and maybe it will be in the range of 90, 93 or 94, something like this. Is somehow the situation on the Brent crude oil that most of the technical analysts and fundamentalist analysis right now is saying is the price will be something around 90 to 95.
Thank you. So which could have a positive bearing onto the bitumen and fuel oils as well.
Yeah,
thank you. We hope so.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining in, and we look forward to seeing you further. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so